Hate packing but love getting away? You're not alone. Welcome to the Lazy Traveler's Guide, where I'm your host, Ryan Brooks, here to make your travel plans as breezy as a seaside vacation. Today's topic is all about easy travel wardrobe staples, because who wants to spend hours deciding what to pack when you could be dreaming of your next adventure instead? Alright, fellow laid-back travelers, let's dive into the essentials that will keep you comfortable and stylish without overstuffing your suitcase. First up, the champion of versatility, the classic white t-shirt. This little number pairs with just about anything, from jeans to skirts, making it perfect for both sightseeing and a casual dinner. Roll it up to save space and prevent wrinkles. Your future self will thank you. Next, let's talk about the magic of layers. A lightweight cardigan or a zip-up hoodie works wonders for unexpected weather changes or chilly airplane cabins. It's like having a portable, cozy cocoon wherever you go. Now, onto the bottom half. A pair of stretchy jeans or comfortable leggings can be your best friend. They're easy to dress up or down and don't take up much room. Plus, you can wear them multiple times between washes. Let's be real, who has time for laundry on vacation? For footwear, stick to one pair of reliable sneakers and maybe some flip-flops for those beachy escapes. Sneakers are great for walking tours, and flip-flops slide right into the tiniest suitcase spaces. Finally, accessories can be your secret weapon. A scarf can double as a blanket or pillow on long flights, and a hat can shield you from the sun or hide that travel hair. To wrap it up, remember this: packing doesn't have to be a chore. With just a handful of versatile pieces, you can be ready for any adventure that comes your way. Give one of these tips a try on your next trip. Trust me, your suitcase will thank you. If you enjoyed today's episode and want more lazy-friendly travel wisdom, hit subscribe and join me next time. Until then, keep it simple and keep exploring.